Mountain Smith's dedication to the canine adventure experience has spanned 30 years, and there's no slowing in our efforts. Our heritage offering includes packs, travel gear, bedding, and accessories to complete this outdoor lifestyle category for our four-legged friends. In 2015, Mountain Smith introduces the most ergonomically correct dog pack ever designed. We're able to achieve this through our collaboration with veterinarian Dr. Robin Starr. With her expert advice during our design phase, Mountain Smith was able to ensure that these packs will both minimize chafing and maximize freedom of movement while providing proper load dispersal for your dog. I am really pleased with the end result. These new packs will finally do justice to our four-legged, pack-carrying companions, says Starr. Choosing the proper size pack for your dog is the most important part of the dog pack fitment. First, measure your dog's length, from the high part of the back between the shoulders to the base of the tail. Next, measure your dog's girth by finding the largest circumference of their chest and measure all the way around their back. Finally, choose the proper pack size from the sizing guide that can be found along with fit instructions here. Mountain Smith offers an entire line of gear to help keep your dog comfortable and trail ready in the great outdoors. By stowing the lightweight and durable canine back bowl in their pack, you will always have food and water ready at a moment's notice. With the convenience of the Canine Cube, we are able to get on the road with our four-legged best friends sooner, without forgetting any of their essentials. Keep the packable Mountain Smith canine bed and its included compression sack in the back of the car, and always be ready for some post-hike tailgate relaxation. At Mountain Smith, it is second nature for us to bring our dogs with us on every adventure. The relationship with our dogs and the Mountain Smith canine product line is truly forged for life.
Looking for some privacy on the go? With the easy to set up H2Go, you can have a bit more time to yourself for a shower or for other things. The freestanding design of the H2Go is Kelty built strong and stable thanks to these steel poles. It's sturdy enough to hold a full water bag so you can get a good shower. There are pockets on the walls and ceiling for your toiletries, and the floor rolls away to drain water easily. Here's an opening for an external shower, and you can hang your towel here on the included clothesline. With a peak height of over 7 feet, even tall campers won't feel confined. If you find yourself needing some fresh air, you'll be thankful for the mesh ceiling and side window. To set up the H2Go, lay out the body in a square like this. Put together the leg poles and click them into the center hub. Stand the poles over the center of the H2Go body and insert the pins at the corners into the ends of the poles. Use the hook at the top of the H2Go to attach the body to the pole hub and then attach the clips to the poles. Stake out the four corners and use these guidelines by first wrapping them around the poles and then staking them to the ground. To protect from the elements, add the rainfly up top. If you need a multi-function privacy shelter for a shower, a toilet, or simply to change in, set up the Kelty H2Go for out-of-sight protection.